Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the quick unboxing of the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro 128 gig variant, unlocked but not brand new. Bought it through Swappa. Found a seller that I ended up having a lot of communication with over a few days. I asked a lot of questions and he answered all of them. I even asked for some extra pics, some close-ups of the device itself. After all of that was said and done, I bought the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue from him, and I just got it in today. I got home from work. The box was on the table. Huge shout out to my daughter for grabbing it off the porch. And now what we're going to do is get a good look at it. This video is just to let you know that it is here on Team My Project 13, and I want you to leave some feedback down below in the comment section. What would you like from me that you haven't seen out there? Maybe you have a question that hasn't gotten answered about this device that hopefully I can answer for you, or a video that I can throw up that you may want to see as far as information in comparison to maybe other devices. I do have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, got the Google Pixel 6 Pro, Google Pixel 5a 5G, and some other devices that a lot of you probably already know that I have. If not, you can ask for that down below in the comment section as well. So with that, let's inspect the device, the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue, and make sure that everything is in mint condition. Here's my lightning cable here, little pamphlet right here. So all of that with no wall charger. We're going to get a little close up here. Everything looking great. Beautiful, beautiful. Of course, I got my cloth here so I can wipe down the phone itself. Another wipe down. The gentleman said it was in pristine condition. And right now, it looks like it's in pristine condition. So everything on the back looking really, really good. In fact, it looks great. Looks really good. We're doing the inspection together. I got my cloth here to do the wipe down. Very nice. Yeah, that looks really good. And then the other side. Yeah, that looks really nice. Already got a tempered glass screen protector on here. I think he said it was ZAG. Yeah, that display looks flawless. That is really, really nice. He also had an OtterBox that he sent with it, even though I have a gazillion cases. But I've never owned an OtterBox case. So at some point I'll probably try that out. But today I'm actually, huge shout out, going to be using the UAG Urban Armor Gear Drop Protection, Refine Protection Metropolis LT Series for the new iPhone 6.1 inch 13 Pro, built with DuPont Kevlar. And that's a beautiful, beautiful case. So we're going to zoom back out here. Yeah, that looks great. That's flawless. I have no complaints. Again, this is not supposed to be a really long video. And this is just a beautiful case. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Got that honeycomb cushion design on the inside to absorb shock. Impact resistant, screen surround, tactile grip, feather-like construction built with Kevlar. The perfect balance of form and function. Kevlar is a heat-resistant synthetic lightweight fiber that delivers high tensile that brings improved protection and performance. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that over there. Now, I don't know if there's actually any juice. Well, let's test out the volume buttons here with the Metropolis LT case. Everything working fine there. Hey, I took a screenshot and go down. Okay, we'll finish setup in a second here. Okay, everything working there. Mute switch, huge cutout for the mute switch. And we have a cutout down there for the speaker, lightning charging port, and the mic area, nothing up top. And you got a couple little slits there that you can feel over the power button so you can identify that area. And over here, the minus and plus symbol. So yeah, that looks good. That feels really, really nice. Look at that. How many whistles have I put into this video? A lot of lip. A lot of lip protecting those cameras. Got some depth there. Flat surface. Surface is a little bit rough. This way. Flat surface. Surface is a little bit rough, but I probably wouldn't go any rougher than that. Please use your discretion. You're going to have plenty of lip all the way around. Flat display. Flat AMOLED display. Okay. So, at this point, I'm going to get her all set up. Huge shout out to the gentleman over at Swappa. Got myself a pristine iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue 128 gig unlocked variant. And that's it. Please leave some feedback down below. I would appreciate it. And again, a huge shout out to UAG. That's it. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.